Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing program which can help you to earn passive income online. Imagine having an affiliate marketing program that can pay you up to 41.5% as a commission of the sale you made. Even though you can be having a sale which is costing 60 USD, you can be able to earn 13 USD. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you see, I'm using my computer. Whenever you know that you're gonna be doing an affiliate marketing, you always understand that you're gonna be earning a commission. And also that commission, it's a forms of passive income you have generated from your audience and also from the people who you referred to purchase the services or product you have promoted to them. What you need to do, you need to come here in your browser and type for WeGoTrip. Once you search for WeGoTrip, you can see this a platform which is also where you can be seeing different bookings and also different services that people can be able to come and book here. What you have to do, you have to open this platform, and also after opening this platform, we start immediately exploring different services available on this platform. As you can see, we have this entry trick plus audio tower which is costing 56 euros per person. So you can be able to scroll down and see different also services which are available here, and you can see we have this one which is costing 12. You can still have this one which is costing 10, and we can also be able to explore by locations which are identified here and see how much money you can be able to pay. For instance, if you can be able to be referring someone to be coming here, you see this amount of money you can be able to pay: 22.43 per person, 10 per person. You can even click and view all services. However, my main purpose is not showing you all this trip, but also is to show you how you can be able to make money with affiliate marketing within all different bookings people you referred can be able to make on this platform. What you have to do is to come here and scroll down, and also you look for at the bottom of this platform. Once you are done looking at the bottom, you can see there are reviews that people have left on the given platform or the given trip they have also booked out. And also what you have to look for is affiliate program. As you can see, we have this affiliate program here, and also what you need to do is to click on it. After clicking on this affiliate program, you can see we have different also explanations about this program, and immediately you can see this is earned by the top 3 WeGoTrip partners have earned this amount of money. And also if you see here what they are saying that you can be able to earn up to 14% commissions on sales or offering instantly available audio tours with included attraction tickets, outdoor etc. So as you can see, now they are explaining why you can be able to join this affiliate marketing program, and also it's the largest commission in the travel market. You can earn up to from 20 up to 13% commission, right? The average order is USD 55. And also you can calculate and see how much money you can be able to earn on this platform or on this affiliate marketing program. And also it's a simple and quick payouts where you get monthly payments or upon request payouts via bank, transfer, PayPal, etc. You can also be able to see visual sales reports in your profile, dedicated relationship manager, event for scaling, can be able to network, also to network with others, giveaways, promo codes, and the free tours of or ticket for your partners. So as you can see here, now this is an estimation of the amount of money you can be able to earn here if you can be able to get these clicks, which means per month you can be able to earn this. If you can be able to get this one, you can be able to earn this, and also if you can be able to get this one, you can be able to earn this amount of money. And also here is the top affiliates they are working with. You can sign up now and you can be one of them. Here is travel payouts, free sea bus. You can get them here. So now there are steps that you have to pass it through. The first one is to sign up. Of course, it's free to sign up, and also after that you get offer recommended tours. These include links, widgets, API, promo codes, etc. And also here is to get payment monthly on demand to your card, bank, PayPal, and other payment method you can be able to use, which is supported on this platform. Now you can see there are also people who are doing affiliate marketing program, and they are using their social media, including Instagram, including also TikTok, including Snapchat, to be able to influence others to come and buy these services. You can see these are the examples. And also once you get to sell any of the trip here, any of the service here, you're gonna be getting up to 40% commission of the payment that a person has booked it to. So what do you do now if you want to sign up? Of course, you have to click on this option which is called sign up for free, and also what you do is to click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, you can see if also you must use to travel, it is gonna be good for you. You have to put your URL of the social media you are using, either website. You can be even putting, for instance, your Instagram link, URL if you're gonna be planning to use one, your YouTube link, your TikTok link, your Snapchat link. Depends on the way you're gonna be using to promote also this resource, or to promote these services or these tickets. Once you're done, also you're gonna explain how you're gonna be promoting this resource, or how you're gonna be using the services to be able to make money as an affiliate. Also, once you're done, you have to submit. You have to click join. You can see it is very simple. You don't have to fill out maximum information or many information to this platform. What you only need to do is this one. And also it is simple. You can proceed and so be able to do this. So now thank you for watching this video. If you can be able to see this, how you can be able to join this affiliate marketing program, and also be able to make money by earning a commission by promoting the services on this platform. And also this can be helping you, especially if you are having a great audience, and also if you must like travel. If you like to be traveling into different destinations, you can use those to show people the basic places to visit to, and also once they decide to visit and once they purchase the given services, also you get a commission up to 40%. So this can be also vary depend on the cost, depend on the given price of the services you have sold. And also however, this can be a great opportunity for you to make money, to make passive income by doing affiliate marketing. So remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, remember to leave it in a comment section.